Okay, this for the Cogoo Android Plus series for the touchscreen calibration and button setting. So for the calibration, 5-finger long press. Follow the icon. Calibrate done. Okay, for the left hand side button setting, you have to go to setting. The green color setting. Okay, factory setting. Password 8317. Factory mode. Password 8888. Okay. Then choose number 7. Touch key. Okay, you have to reset all. Choose long press or short press. Now start from the short press. Click start. Home button. Okay, when you set, the color will change to the yellow. So back, red color now. So after press, success will change to the yellow. Then control. Okay, volume plus, volume minus, mute. So short press on power icon is mute. Okay, now choose for the long press. So power. So when long press for the power icon is screen standby mode. Okay, then exit. Done. So now setting already. Okay, this is Cogoo Android Plus series setting for calibration and touchscreen. Buy one piece. Thank you.